In today's video, we're going to talk about a topic that's super important for anyone running a Shopify store. What to do if you get your Shopify account banned or terminated in 2024. We'll cover why this might happen and how to handle the situations and what steps you can take to avoid getting banned in the future. First things first, let's talk about why Shopify might decide to terminate or ban your account. Shopify has strict guidelines in place to ensure that its platform is used properly, and if you violate any of these terms, it could lead to a suspension or a permanent ban. Some of the common reasons for account bans include selling prohibited products, engaging in fraudulent activity, a high number of chargebacks, or not complying with local or international laws. If your Shopify store has been flagged for any of these issues, it can lead to either a temporary suspension or a permanent termination of your account. Now, so what to do if you find yourself in this situation? First, check your email. Shopify usually sends an email with details explaining why your account has been banned. Look for a message from Shopify's support or security team. This will give you an idea of what caused the issue. If the email doesn't provide clear information, you can contact Shopify's support team directly for more details. Go to Shopify's live chat or phone support. Be respectful when contacting support. Remember, the support team is there to help you, and staying calm and professional will increase your chances of resolving the issue. Now, if your account was suspended due to a violation, Shopify may allow you to appeal the decision. If you believe your account was wrongly terminated, you can submit an appeal directly to Shopify's team. Now, if your account has been permanently terminated, it's a much more difficult situation, but there are still steps you can take. First, review the terms and services. What you need to do is review Shopify's terms and condition. Now, understand the reason for termination. However, if you think there's been a misunderstanding and the ban was a mistake, you can contact Shopify one final time and request an escalated review. While this doesn't guarantee that your account will be reinstated, it gives you one last chance to explain your case. And there you have it. I hope this video helps you understand what to do if your Shopify account gets banned or terminated and how to prevent it from happening in the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.